I should find a banana. Or maybe a mango. Oh, look, a butterfly. Should I chase it? Got to. Oh, what's that sound? Where was I? Whoa, whoops!
Oh. Excuse me. Hey, Mr. Rock?
Oh, you're not a rock.
Your mind is like a bouncy butterfly, little one, always fluttering.
It is? How do I make it stop?
You don't. You just watch it. Let me show you.
Breathe in the quiet and breathe out the noise.
In and out. Am I doing it?
Slower, little one, as slow as a falling leaf.
Wow, I never noticed you before.
The jungle isn't noisy. It's singing.
Thank you, Koro. I feel quiet inside.
Your quiet place is always with you, little one. You just need to remember to visit. To find more quiet moments, subscribe to the Fable Fern.